Okay, I'm back again now. Earlier on I done this charger, right? Now I've got this charger. I've had to take the phone out, the Galaxy S5, yeah, and put it on charge. But what I've done is taken the reading. It's 53% charge at the moment, so I'm going to calculate it. This iPhone is completely dead. This Sony also is completely dead. This has got on some, I don't know, makeshift charger. I'm not sure if it's genuine or not. It's plugged into there. This one we've just bought today out of the supermarket. I think I paid £10 for it, £8, something like that. Anyway, that's got 15% on it. And that is, this is my iPhone, yeah. This is that one over there, So what we're going to do now, we're going to flick our switch on, but the one we're focusing on is mainly this one. This has been on 4 hours charging one battery. This is rubbish. Don't buy it, don't buy it, don't spend your money. Yeah, and then I'm going to try this fancy lead again off the internet, plug it into there, and see if it charges that way. So I'm going to hit the switch now, so everybody's got the same starting time. And here we go. We have our light there. Okay, so results time. This one here started at 15%, charge up to 41. That's an increase of 26. This one here, we put back in the phone, started off at 53. After an hour, 78, increase of 17. This iPhone from dead, same time 1 hour. All of these phones 1 hour has charged 67%. This lead was completely no good. Don't know why. This phone did not come on. I did not realize the red light there, and that was plugged in with this one. This lead here, when you buy these leads, it gets all these pretty lights going down it. As you can see, they don't last. It's another eBay thing. People, stop doing this to people. Sell them things that make sense. Stop robbing people. No must stop it. All on too bad. Anyway, as I proceed, you can see this thing isn't all that. Stop selling people rubbish. You hear me? This one, we're going to take this one and put it into this phone and give it the same amount of time, an hour. So the only comparison we have now, this one is fine. That's our new lead. This one, bottom of the pile. This one, top of the list. This one, we're going to give it an hour independent, take it off of this lead, put it onto a good lead, which is this one, which means it should get a fair chance, just as everybody else. So we're going to do that, but in the meantime, I would not spend my money on this thing here. Yeah? Okay. Okay, I got a bit, this is the new charger I explained to you earlier on. I paid £8 for this, I think. Well, not me directly, but there you go. Since I talked to you, it's been about 15 minutes. Okay? Now, it wasn't on at all before. Now it's on, and it's charged. Oh my days, let me get my glasses. Hold on, people, that's will come. Right, I'm back. Let me see what this thing is saying. It has got 12% charge in 15 minutes. So that little thing that I said before, forget it. Anyway, this one you can see it's got a smash screen and looks a bit tatty. This phone hasn't been started for over a year. It's just been sitting around the place. So I may just buy a new house for it, put it all in it just to make another video so you can see how to do it. Should your phone end up like this. Okay, people? Till next time, stop telling people foolishness. Please stop it. Okay? Later. Okay. I've decided, well not decided, because I've packed up my tablet. I've put my tablet onto charge. As you can see, it comes on, it goes off. This is with this lead. It comes on. Let me see again. It goes off. That's with that so-called lead, right? Now I'm gonna try this one on it and see what happens, because that's telling me it's not getting no charge, it's just getting enough to turn it on. And every time it, never mind, I can't explain all of that to you. Okay, we've just changed the charger, put in the new one, and as you can see, it comes on and it stays on. Alright? So again, people, stop conning people, stop selling them foolishness, stop taking their money. People go to work every day and work hard. Please have some mercy, stop it. It's on 0%, but it is staying on, meaning it's getting what it's supposed to get. So don't always think it's your device. These dodgy leads you keep buying cheap. Yeah, you get what you pay for. You pay for foolishness, you get foolishness. Anyway, till next time, people, look after yourself and each other, and I'll see you all soon. Subscribe if you feel like it. If you don't feel no way, I'll still make them same way. Later.